What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another NASCAR Diecast unboxing. We got some new releases, and then we got this special Holy Grail diecast here on the screen in this package here that I've missed out on for the past few years for no real reason, but I'm gonna get into showing it right here, right now. Got the little package open, been looking forward to this. It's a loose, authentic, at least it should be, of a diecast that I have no idea how I missed for this long. And there it is, gorgeous. Mountain Dew Baja Blast number 9 for Chase Elliott. Pretty sure this is 2018. Authentics. Again, no idea how I missed out on this car when it came out. But it's not too late. Never too late. So here it is in the collection. After 5-ish years. Beautiful, beautiful car. Really happy to get that. Then we'll bring in the usual box here. Should have 5 new releases here with the packing penis in the way. So first up, let's see, we'll just pull them out. We got Brad Keselowski's Castrol Edge number 6 for RFK Racing. 2023 season. Oh my gosh. The next one just showed itself right there. So we'll get into the next one since it wanted to pop out the screen. This is Joey Logano's 2022 Phoenix Win diecast body and chassis. Phoenix Win. Thought I'd go ahead and pick it up since it's really sick. They added the confetti back to the windshield just for this one. And it is loaded in confetti. So this one's really cool to get. Really impressive. Next, let's see what's in there. We'll get Kyle Larson's Valvoline number 5 for the 2023 season. Hendrick Motorsports, Chevy. Another good looking scheme for Valvoline and Kyle Larson. Really cool. Next up, we've got Kevin Harvick's number 29 Busch Light. Throwing back to the 29 here. Racing at North Wilkesboro. Forever a champion, Kevin Harvick. Riding around in the 29 car one last time. Pretty sweet little deal they got going on. And then we got one more here in the box. And it's Ross Chastain's number 1 Advent Health Chevy. Pretty cool little scheme. We got neon yellow, neon green, blue, white, all over the place. Got the watermelon sticking out. Pretty cool. So that will do it for this one. Let's get everything else back in here. Move the box. One more time around this one just because getting it here in my hands, this is actually really cool. So that'll be a cool one to get out of the box and take a look at. Really cool. And then, of course, the last finishing touch, the added bonus to this little unboxing. One of the best schemes to ever be out there for my guy Chase Elliott. Better late than never on getting this one. Awesome. Awesome deal. But that'll wrap it up. If you will, leave a comment on which diecast in this video is the coolest to you. Like the video while you're at it. Subscribe for more also. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking it out.